Good morning, this is Mr. Morales again. Happy belated holidays. As you can see, I still have my ugly Christmas sweater on. But I took, as some of you say, my ugly Cowboys hat off. Now, today I'm going to talk about objective viewpoint 8, which is solving systems of equations by substitution. Now, in this case, we have two equations that are both y equals, and you're going to substitute for one of the variables to find out what it is. And then once we find out what one of the variables are, we're going to substitute again to find out what the other one is. In this case, I'm going to substitute this x minus 8 for y right there. So I'm going to have x minus 8 equals negative 3x plus 4. And because I did that, I have only x here, and I can figure out what x is. So let's add 3x to both sides. I have 4x minus 8. I hope you're writing this down. And then this crosses out, and I have 4 here. Now I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Cross that out. I have 4x equals 12. I divide by 4. And so my x is 3. So now that I know what x is, let's find out what y is. And I can actually substitute my x right here for this x, because y is by itself, and this equation is a little simpler than the one above. So if I do that, I have y equals, I'm substituting 3 for x, minus 8, and so y equals negative 5. So I found that x is 3 and y is negative 5. So let's type it in. So x is 3. Going in there. Insert. And then for that one, what do we say? Negative 5. You know, technology, isn't it great? Insert. There it is. I can hit submit, and we did awesome. So I'm going to erase this one here. And now let's do a second one. We'll do one more. Notice it says y equals 10. This one says 9x plus 9y equals 18. So since we know what y is, in reality all we have to do is find out what x is. So let's substitute the y with 10. So I take my second equation, and I'm going to bring it here. 9x plus 9. I'm substituting y with 10 equals 18. So now let's get x by itself. 9 times 10 is 90. So I have 9x plus 90 equals 18. I'm going to substitute 90 to both sides. I'm sorry, not substitute. Sorry. Subtract 90 from both sides. So I have 9x equals, let's see, 90 minus 18. Somebody get their little handy dandy calculator out and tell me what is 90 minus 18. 72. In this case is negative 72. Good job, Miss Vivian. So we divide 9 on both sides. X equals negative 8. So now we know what x is. We already know what y is, so we can type them both in. So let's start with the x. X is negative 8. Let's see if it reads my handwriting. Insert. And then you know that y is 10. And we insert again. So negative 8 and 10, and we did a great job. Hopefully this has helped you out to solve by substitution to find out what both x and the y are. Have a great day. Good luck on the rest of your problems.